is, as a person, sobrang galing ng evolution mo. You can reinvent yourself and you're always the star of whatever, hindi decade kasi dalawang decade pa lang naman siya, pero at every level of maturity mo, you evolve yourself into the star of that time. So talagang you have that star factor na hinahanap talaga ng lahat. And we're very happy na lumaki ka sa GMA and you're still with us. And we love you. You're like our little baby daughter, not so baby anymore. And I can't wait kung ano pa yung mapapakita mong galing. Paano mo pa ma-evolve yung sarili mo because you're so young, you still have so many more years ahead of you. And I can see na ang layo pa ng mararating mo, Jill. Thank you so much. We love you.
Thank you, Attorney Annette. Now, let's hear a few words from Miss Joy.
Hi, Jill. You know that we are really proud of your accomplishments. I'm a big fan. We are a big fan of your transformation. Ang ganda-ganda mo. This is your most beautiful version. I think so far. Kasi marami pa tayong aabangan. But we at Sparkle are always proud of everything that you do, especially Jill the performer. I am always amazed. Pag nakikita ko yung videos ni Jill, hindi lang siya actress. I think she's a very accomplished performer. Singer na, dancer na, everything. I think you are so blessed that you also bless us with the talents that you have. So we will continue to take care of you. 16 years, konti lang yon. May 16 years times 16 years plus more. We love you and congratulations. And we are happy to take care of you. Please know that.
Thank you, Miss Joy. And now, from Jillian, 16 years as a Kapuso and more projects to come. Anong mensahe mo sa lahat ng nandito and of course to our bosses?
Ayan, syempre po, to GMA as a whole po muna. Syempre, thank you so much kasi talagang naging instrument po kayo ni God for me na mas ma-discover ko pa po yung talents ko and to spread my God-given talents. To Boss Vic for being like my bonus dad in life. Nakakwento ko sa kanya po lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay ko and he's always very supportive. Si Miss Joy, of course, hindi lang po kasi about sa work yung mga napag-uusapan natin. You give me advices on how to improve myself and especially po, nagiging woman na talaga ako and I'm so happy na meron po akong guidance ninyo. You're always there, you're always one call away. Kay Miss Annette din po, of course. Kasi the way you treat me, hindi lang po artista, you treat me like a daughter. And that's priceless po kasi yun for me you're so supportive na hindi lang po sa talento ko yung sinusuportahan ninyo, pati sa personal life ko na sa GMA, I'm so happy kasi sa GMA po, they don't value their artists because they're artists. They value their artists as people, as humans. And I'm so grateful and I pray na hanggang maging lola po ko, andito ako forever. Thank you, Sparkle! We are eternal! Yes! So, thank you so much po. I'm so grateful. Lahat po kayo ay blessing sa akin ng God, each and every one of you. And I pray na maging proud po kayo sa akin. And I will do my best, of course, to make all of you and GMA proud. I'm a proud Kapuso forever, since birth.
Yes! Thank you, Jillian!